It's 2022, and there has never been a more important time to need a high-speed internet connection in your home. Now, as the world continues to digitally evolve, more providers for home internet pop up in suburban and urban areas. However, people in more rural areas generally have fewer options, which makes it even more important to get your internet provider right the first time. The industry leader in high-speed satellite internet the past 2 decades or so has been HughesNet. So, we wanted to check out their services in 2022 to see how it fares today. Probably the most important thing about an internet provider is how fast their connection is and if they limit you on how much of it you can use. Now, many providers put data caps on their service that shuts off after a certain amount of data usage. HughesNet prides itself on placing no hard data limits on any of its internet plans, which means customers never have to worry about being cut off from service, no matter how much data they use. HughesNet also boasts speeds of up to 25 megabytes per second, which is perfect for surfing the web, emailing, social media, and more. They also include free built-in Wi-Fi, so you can easily connect all of your favorite devices from desktops and cell phones to smart TVs and laptops. Another key component to picking the right internet provider for you is the reliability of the service and where it covers. An internet signal that is super fast but constantly cuts out or drops isn't very helpful, and you obviously need to be in the correct area for a provider to cover you. Now, in the past, satellite internet has gotten a bad rap for its reliability, but HughesNet new Gen5 internet has done a fantastic job at delivering consistent and reliable internet speeds. Thanks to its extensive network of satellites, HughesNet's connection isn't affected by bad weather or slowdowns at peak times, unlike cable internet. And if you were worried about being in the correct coverage zone for HughesNet, don't be. They can deliver high-speed satellite internet to anywhere in the continental United States. Being able to provide a reliable, high-speed internet connection is the most important part of being an internet provider, but having a wide offering of features never hurts. This is where HughesNet really separates itself from other internet providers. Instead of trying to limit customers on what they can do, HughesNet has a huge spread of features that it includes for free on all of their internet plans. Now, we've already spoken about 2 of the biggest features, free built-in Wi-Fi and no hard data caps, but there are more. HughesNet also includes built-in video data saver, which automatically fixes video data rates so you can stream high-quality videos without eating through data. Now, in addition to that, all plans get HughesNet's bonus zone, where every customer gets an extra 50 gigabytes of additional data from 2 a.m. to 8 a.m., which is a perfect time for big downloads. Ultimately, it doesn't matter how good or bad an internet service provider is if it's insanely expensive. Thankfully, HughesNet delivers in this category as well. HughesNet Gen5 internet plans start at just $64.99 per month and is available across the United States. Also, HughesNet and its affiliates are constantly running awesome deals and promotions like free standard installation, prepaid cards, and more. If you're interested in home phone service, you can also cash in on big savings when you bundle multiple HughesNet services. Another super important factor to consider in your internet provider decision is customer service. Now, if there are technical questions or service issues that arise, you want a provider that can quickly and easily deal with the problem, keep you in the loop. HughesNet has now been ranked #1 in customer satisfaction for 5 years in a row by U.S. News. Customers regularly praise how reliable the service is on its own, and when there are occasional issues, HughesNet's customer service is always able to fix them quickly. Plus, because HughesNet covers the entire continental United States, customers don't have to change providers every single time they move. Now, there's a reason why HughesNet has been one of the biggest and highest rated internet providers in the nation for quite some time now. For rural customers, they offer a reliable and high-speed internet connection that doesn't break the bank. Their service is easy to use, and HughesNet regularly bends over backwards to make sure their customers are satisfied. Now, not surprisingly, HughesNet Gen 5 internet remains the best choice for satellite internet available.